country borders both Austria and Italy?
France. Germany.
No.
Slovenia. Slovakia.
No.
Slovenia. Serbia.
Out. Time up.
क्या टाइम पहले बोले मैं स्लोवेनिया.
तो मैं क्या करूं? What is the capital of Nepal?
काठमांडू.
What is the capital of Switzerland?
बर्न.
The highest peak of world?
माउंट एवरेस्ट.
The longest river of Asia?
यांगजी.
Which country is landlocked in Asia?
उज्बेकिस्तान, कजाकिस्तान, मंगोलिया. बहुत सारी है.
What is the capital of South Africa?
प्रिटोरिया.
What is the capital of South Korea?
ओह साउथ अफ्रीका पूछे तो पहले साउथ सियोल.
Largest country by area?
रशिया.
Largest country by population?
इंडिया.
Which is the largest lake in the world?
लार्जेस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड कैस्पियन सी.
Okay. Second largest lake in the world?
लेक सुपीरियर.
Third largest lake in the world?
लेक विक्टोरिया.
World's,
मनीटा.
world's deepest lake?
लेक बेकाल.
World's longest freshwater lake?
लेक टांगानिया कुछ है अफ्रीका में. आई डोंट नो प्रोनाउंसिएशन.
Okay. Largest artificial lake in the world?
करीबा. लेक करीबा इन अफ्रीका.
Which is the largest state in the world?
साखा रिपब्लिक इन रशिया.
Alps mountain lies in which continent?
यूरोप.
Which country has the most border with other nations?
रशिया और चाइना दोनों 14
Okay. India shares largest border with which country?
लार्जेस्ट बांग्लादेश.
Now how much?
4,096 किलोमीटर.
4096.
496 किलोमीटर.
India shares smallest border.
अफगानिस्तान 106 किलोमीटर. 106 किलोमीटर.
How many oceans are there in the world?
5.
How many continents are?
7.
Okay. Largest lagoon in the Asia?
लार्जेस्ट लगून लेक चिलिका.
Okay. Atlas mountain lies in which countries?
मोनाको, ट्यूनिशिया और अल्जीरिया, लीबिया.
Okay. Which is longest river in the world? Longest?
नाइन.
Okay. What is the capital city of France?
पेरिस.
On which continent is Brazil located?
साउथ अमेरिका.
Which ocean lies to the west of the United States?
वेस्ट पैसिफिक ओशन.
Okay. Cairo is the capital.
कैरियो. कायरो.
Cairo. Cairo is the capital of which country?
इजिप्ट.
मैं थोड़ी पढ़िया कर दी. Mount Everest lies in which mountain range?
हिमालय.
What is the largest country in the world by land area?
रशिया.
Which continent is also a country?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
The Nile River flows mainly through which two continents?
अफ्रीका और एशिया.
What is the capital city of Japan?
टोक्यो.
Which country is famous for the Great Barrier Reef?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
What is the smallest country in
वेटिकन सिटी.
which river runs through the city of London?
रिवर थेम्स.
On which continent is the Sahara Desert located?
अफ्रीका.
What is the capital city of Canada?
ओटावा.
Which country has the largest population in the world?
इंडिया.
In which country would you find the city of Sydney?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Which ocean is the largest on earth?
पैसिफिक.
The Amazon rainforest is mainly in which country?
ब्राजील.
Which European city is known for its canal and gondolas?
वेनिस.
What is the capital city of Italy?
रोम.
Okay. Which two countries share the longest international border in the world?
यूएसए एंड कनाडा.
USA?
यूएसए
USA.
एंड कनाडा.
What is the main language spoken in Brazil?
पोर्चुगीज.
Which continent is south of Europe and across the Mediterranean Sea?
अफ्रीका.
What is the capital city of Germany?
बर्लिन.
In which country is the city of Moscow?
रशिया.
Which country is shaped like a boot on the map?
इटली.
Nice. Which US state is known as the Sunshine State?
फ्लोरिडा.
What is the capital city of Spain?
Madrid.
On which continent would you find the Andes Mountains?
Andes. South America.
What is the capital city of China?
Beijing.
Which African country is famous for its pyramids and ancient
Egypt.
Which country is directly south of the United States? Share long.
Mexico.
What is the capital city of Russia?
Moscow.
Which continent is completely surrounded by the Southern Ocean?
So then Antarctica.
The city of Rio de Janeiro is
Brazil.
in
Brazil.
which sea lies between Europe and Africa?
Mediterranean Sea.
What is the capital city of the United Kingdom?
London.
London.
London. Jaldi.
Which North American country has the maple leaf on its flag?
The maple. Canada.
Which desert cover much of northern Africa?
Sahara.
Which country known for the city of Auckland and
New Zealand.
what is the capital city of Greece?
Athens.
Nigeria lies in which continent?
Africa.
In which country would you find the city of Istanbul?
Turkey.
Which US state is an island chain in the Pacific Ocean?
Island. Hawaii.
What is the capital city of Australia?
Canberra.
The Great Wall is in which country?
China.
Which South America country is landlocked and has two capitals?
Bolivia.
What is the capital city of Egypt?
Cairo.
Which is the largest freshwater lake by area in the world?
Lake Baikal. The Lake Titicaca? No. Lake. I don't know.
Time up, sir. Time up.
Sorry.
The Nile River flows into which sea?
Mediterranean.
Okay. What is the saltiest large body?
The Dead Sea. Jaldi kar.
Which Great Lake is entirely within the USA?
Lake Michigan.
Which river forms part of the border between the USA and Mexico?
River Rio Grande.
Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia?
Mediterranean Sea.
No. Mountain range.
Asia.
Out.
Ural.
Out.
Ural.
Out और out है.
Ural.
Out is out. Out
मैं पहले
means
ठीक है ठीक है सवाल पूछो.
What is the highest mountain in Africa?
Mount Kilimanjaro.
Which is the only country that borders both the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf?
Saudi Arabia.
Which country has the longest coastline in the world?
Canada.
Which African city is famous for its Table Mountain? Akshara Katigiti.
I don't know. Okay, Cape Town.
What do we call the mountain with a hole at the top that can erupt lava?
Volcano.
Which US state has the most active volcanoes?
I don't know. California.
Alaska.
Out.
What's the name of the giant waterfall on the border of the USA and Canada?
Niagara Falls.
Which tiny country is completely surrounded by Italy like a...
San Marino, Vatican City.
Okay. Which ocean has the deepest point on
Mariana
Earth?
Trench, Pacific Ocean.
Which lake changes color from green to red depending on algae and salt?
Uraha in Iran or Lunar in
Out.
in India. Okay, naam
Time up, sir, time up.
Lunar.
Time up.
Sorry.
What do we call a group of islands?
Archipelago.
Which country has no river? No river.
Saudi Arabia.
Which country is directly north of the United States?
Canada.
Which two countries share the longest border in the world?
US and Canada.
Which country shares the border with both Spain and Germany?
Spain and Germany. France.
Which country shares the border with Portugal?
Spain.
Which country is an island nation just southeast of India?
Sri Lanka.
Which country lies between France and Spain?
Andorra.
And which country borders both Austria and Italy?
फ्रांस, जर्मनी, स्लोवेनिया, स्लोवाकिया,
No.
स्लोवेनिया, सर्बिया।
Time out.
क्या टाइम पहले बोले मैं स्लोवेनिया।
तो मैं क्या करूं? Which country border both Norway and Russia?
फिनलैंड,
Which country is directly north of Mexico?
यूएसए,
Which country borders both Syria and Jordan?
आउट। मतलब 10 मिनट।
इसराइल।
Okay, time up से time up.
96 क्वेश्चन, और उसमें से 1 2 3 4 5 आपने गलत।
5 तो गलत नहीं बोली मैं।
हाँ